What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeWilderFitness.com. Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix rolled shoulders. Alright, let's get into the video. Now, we all know this day and age with, COVID and a lot of people working from home, working from desks, it's very easy to have a posture that leads to rolling shoulders, right? When you're on a computer, doing this, when you're at the desk all day, when you're sitting down in the car, when you're driving, all right? There's so many different things we do we don't even think about that can lead to our scapula getting inverted. Like this, right? You get like a hunchback. You don't want to grow up to be 50, 60 years old and you turn into the hunchback of Notre Dame, right? I know you don't want that because we're born with a straight posture. So what we want to do, we want to bring it like this and then have it straight, all right? So the first exercise that I'm going to show you guys is with a stick. You can grab a stick like this. If you ghetto, you can use a broomstick that you have lying around the house. It's all good, all right? Nobody's judging. So what you want to do is lie flat like this. Alright, so what you're doing, you're taking the stick and you're raising it up, really squeezing the shoulder, really squeezing it, bringing it back. That'll really improve your posture. Let's go. Alright, so this exercise is more like a physio rehabilitation type of exercise. A lot of people, especially those who have like desk jobs, are very sedentary, they normally have this type of posture. So what we want to do, we actually want to retrain your body to have your shoulders rolled back. So what you want to do, you want to get a wall like this. Don't have to be cement, all right? It doesn't have to be bricks. You can find something in your house. What you want to do, put your shoulders back and you want to grab, you see where your rib cage is? You want to have that mind-rib connection where you're basically breathing in and trying to push your rib to the back of the wall. Like you're literally pressing it against the wall. And you bring your arms all the way up while you're keeping this posture. So pressing against the wall, pressing those ribs against the wall, going down, and you want to stretch up as high as you can. And what you'll notice while you're doing this, your body's going to fight you to get off the wall and roll forward, but what you need to do is continue to press the ribs back, stretch up all the way, down, and then all the way up. You're going to sit down on the floor like this. And remember, when you start sitting, what's going to happen is you'll notice your shoulders start to roll forward, right? Because that's the natural position. But again, we're training it to be back. We're training it to be straight again. So what you want to do is go like this, and you're literally punching upward and making sure that everything is straight. Just like that. You're just punching. Alright, and not going like this, you don't want to bend forward, you want to make sure everything is straight, and you kind of want to make sure that there's almost like a pencil in your back and you're trying to squeeze it. So you're going backwards. You don't want to go like this, you want to go like that, because eventually what's going to happen is as you continue doing that consistently, you're going to retrain your body to literally be rolled back and straight. You're gonna have a better posture, and that actually is gonna literally spill over into your breathing, believe it or not. Most people don't realize that when you have rolled shoulders, you're actually constricting your breathing, so you can't get a lot of oxygen, all right? That's gonna lead to fatigue, a lot of other issues, high blood pressure, things like that could be just totally mitigated by fixing this, all right? Now, if you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness, all right? Peace.